After I completed my engineering, I've been working now for 3 years, and when I was on the search for doing something masters of my interest, the course in NID came to my mind, and I already blindly tried for the NID course last year and didn't get through. After that, when I started on searching for a proper institute that could guide me through NID exams, I looked upon BRDS online, and after that got reference from friends also about its curriculum and the material and the guidance that they provide. And today, after coming here also, I have realized that the quality of education that they are giving is not only theoretical, also very much practical, and you could directly relate it to what is going to come in the NID exam. So in that way, I could actually basically see a model of what I am going to face in the NID exam itself. Till date, my experience with reference to designing was only on paper, sketching and lots of paintings. And apart from that, I tried my hand on clay, but when I was told that in the studio test of NID we would have to go through material handling, what I thought was cutting out chart paper or cutting out thermocol shouldn't be that difficult. But when I tried my hand with actually carving thermocol and bending wire just to make a cube, I realized how difficult that is. So I'm really happy I got to face this before it actually comes as a shock to me in the NID paper. Being from an engineering background, the only thing I was aware was of CVs and biodatas which had my degrees and certificates. But portfolio was something new to me. Friends told me, and I could hear from people and online, was portfolio was basically a collection of all my artwork. So I did that, got that printed well and got it hardbound. After, when I came to the mock test, which was held 2 days before NID, in BRDS, then I came to know that I could have waited and taken some tips from BRDS itself. But then again, now the damage was already done. They still helped me out by highlighting the whatever points I had to show in the portfolio which I had already done. The ones which I shouldn't have placed in the portfolio, they helped me guide how to answer and reason out why I have put those pages in the portfolio. And some things that I have missed out, they helped me how to answer and to reason out why I did not put in the portfolio. So in the end, basically the portfolio which I had already done, they helped me to give an explanation or a guideline to support it.